They said he was too poor to dream, too small to matter. His shoes had holes, his pockets were empty, and some nights he went to bed hungry. But what they didn't know was that inside this boy burned a fire so powerful it would one day change his entire destiny and the destiny of everyone around him. Once, there lived a boy in a very small village. His name was Arjun. He was poor, so poor that most days his pockets were completely empty. His shoes had holes, his school bag was torn, and sometimes he even went to bed hungry. But there was one thing inside Arjun that nobody could see: his dream. He wanted to do something big in life, something that would change his destiny and the destiny of his family. However, every time Arjun shared his dream, people laughed. They said, "How can a boy with empty pockets think about big things? Should only think about earning bread for the next day." Their words hurt him, but deep inside, Arjun believed that his future was not limited to his present condition. One evening, Arjun was sitting near a river, feeling sad. An old wise teacher named Acharya saw him and asked, "Why do you look so troubled, my child?" Arjun replied, "Acharya, everyone says I cannot do anything great because I am poor. They say my dreams are too big for a boy with nothing in his hands." Acharya smiled and handed him a mirror. "Look into this mirror," he said. "What do you see?" Arjun answered softly, "I see myself." Acharya then asked, "Do you see the pain in your eyes?" Arjun nodded slowly. "Now look deeper," Acharya said. "Can you see the fire hidden behind that pain?" Arjun looked again. This time he felt something powerful staring back at him. Acharya smiled and said, "This fire is your belief. Most people ignore it and give up. But if you protect this fire and feed it with courage and discipline, it will light your path even in the darkest nights." He added, "People will try to cover your mirror with dust. They will make you believe you are not enough. But you must keep cleaning it with your actions. Keep seeing your true self every day, and never forget what you are capable of." Arjun took the mirror on Acharya's words to heart. From that day on, he applied the lesson to his life. He started reading every book he could find, practiced writing, he learned from every mistake, and he dreamed not just of passing his classes, but of becoming someone who could change his family's fate. But the journey was not easy. His mother was very sick and often needed medicine they couldn't afford. His father was an old poor farmer who worked all day under the hot sun and still came home with empty hands. Arjun knew he had to do something. Every morning Arjun went to school. In the evenings, he worked at a small tea shop washing glasses and serving customers. On weekends, he helped a local mechanic to learn practical skills. And every night, when the entire village was asleep, Arjun sat under a dim light and studied with full focus. Sacrificed sleep, comfort, and sometimes even food, but he never stopped. His mirror, his dream, was always in front of him. Years passed. Slowly, Arjun saved enough money to start a small mobile repair business in a tiny corner of the village. He saved every rupee with care. With time, he opened a small electronic shop. He worked day and night, treated every customer with respect, and reinvested every bit he earned back into the business. Through strong will and smart planning, his business grew. From one shop, he expanded to 3. Then, he launched his own brand of mobile accessories. The same people who once laughed at him now stood outside his office, waiting for a chance to work with him. His mother received regular treatment, and his father no longer had to toil in the fields. One day, Acharya came to visit. Arjun welcomed him with deep respect. Acharya smiled and said, "You see, Arjun, the world tries to make poor boys think small, but those who dare to think big rewrite their story. You are living proof that dreams are not measured by the money in your pocket, but by the vision in your heart." Dear friend, if you felt even a small spark of hope in your heart today, don't keep it to yourself. Share this story with someone who needs courage. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and join me on this journey of strength and wisdom. Remember, your next chapter of success begins the moment you dare to think big. Start today.